Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to Renegade Crypto. In today's video we are going to talk about Battle Steed. How can you make about 212,800 on Battle Steed? Okay, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because we talk about crypto and every other thing that you may like about crypto. Go check us out, and we make predictions on here as well, so make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification. So today we will talk about Battle Steed. So we want to talk about Battle Steed AI. Okay, Battle Steed AI is a Web3 project. Okay, and I think I have about $212,800 right on their wallet. Okay, so I want to show you guys on how you can get how you can make more than that result. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is that I told you guys that you have to join the airdrop. Okay, if you've not already joined on the airdrop, okay, I'm going to leave the video maybe in my comment section. I'll try to link it right there for you. So I want you guys to pay attention. So what I did basically was that I just downloaded the application. Okay, if you want to download the application, I'm going to leave that video for you. That video will walk you through on the step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So after downloading your application and signing up, they will ask you about your name. Okay, you can put in your name there or any name you feel. Okay, so after putting in your name right there, then make sure you use make sure you have your private key stored somewhere, or just make sure you copy it and put it down somewhere that you can always remember, but don't share it with nobody. Okay, and after that, then you get on this Battle Steed AI here. Okay, so you can see the app here, their wallet right here, and you can see how much I have right there. I have $212,800. So when you get right here, what you want to do is that you want to keep on getting more money. Okay, the most important thing is just the coin which we are getting. As you can see, the coin is merged. Okay, you want to keep getting more of the coin, okay, which is the token. Okay, and the token, through the token you will get to see the value right here, which is $212,800 in my own case. So what you want to do is that you want to come on your profile. If you come to your profile, then you come on invitation. So coming to your invitation, you will be able to see that I have my invitation code right here, which is this one above here, 7BQCOO. After they sign up, okay, you actually tell them to come to my profile. Okay, when they come right there, then you come to invitation. So when they come to the invitation, this is where they will enter your own invitation. So they have to enter your own invitation. But if you can't do that, then you just click right here. Okay, you click on this scan right here. So when you click on the scan right there, you can easily just tell them to, okay, you guys can scan my QR code or stuff like that. Okay, so when they do that, they can scan your QR code. Okay, and that's how they can use your referral link or invitation code to sign up on here. So when they sign up, you will get about, I think you are getting about 20,000 of BS token. Okay, yes, I think that's what you're getting. So on each sign up you get about $400. Okay, when you get this $400, okay, then imagine when you keep getting more and more people. Okay, what you just need to do is that you can have a WhatsApp group, okay, where you can build your team. Like you can see my team right here. Let me show you my team. I don't actually have a WhatsApp group for BS token, this BS Battle Steed AI. I've been able to build a team right here, which you can see. I have on the V1 I have 531 people there. V2 you can see different people there. You can see different to V10. I don't have anybody right there in V10. Okay, so you can see total of you can see the whole amount of people that have joined this airdrop, okay, through my invitation code. Okay, with that invitation code, that's what they will use to get the $400. So you have to walk them through on that. So after that, you can do many things for you to be able to get that result. You can even make videos on YouTube, make videos on TikTok, telling people about it. Video I made on TikTok got about 40-something views. Okay, and I made another one which got about 27,000 views. Okay, through those traffic I was able to scale this to 212,800. okay, and I want you guys to know that you can still achieve it. So coming to Battle Steed AI, the coin is not yet listed, okay, because I know that there are many of us that would like to withdraw the coin. Okay, the coin is not yet listed. Okay, so the coin will be listed on May, and I think on May, hopefully that's when we can withdraw this coin. And for many of you guys that like to know more about this coin, it's highly impossible to withdraw the coin until May. After they get listed on May, then if you're on their telegram group, okay, which I'm going to leave in the description, then you will get to know on how you can withdraw your own token. And if you are following me on here as well on my YouTube channel, okay, I would want you to subscribe and turn the bell notification, because I'm still going to make a video on how you can withdraw all your money from the Battle Steed wallet. Okay, you can see that I have this amount right there, and coming here you can see all of the tokens which I've gotten from just the amount of people signing up. Okay, is a lot. Okay, this plenty coins. Okay, so I want you guys to focus more on the value. Okay, I don't want you guys to look at the figures. Okay, focus more on the value and focus more on the amount of coin that you're getting. Okay, because with this coin, okay, I strongly believe that with the coin, nobody is going to leave here empty-handed. Okay, yes, because it doesn't matter about the figure of how much we are making, which is about $212,800. Okay, focus on the token and on building your own team, because I strongly believe that if we can focus on that, there's no way we are going to live without making any profit from this coin, because this free money we are talking about. And I still want to tell you guys that you guys should be careful, okay, about people that will write to you and tell you that they want to buy it, that they buy BS token. Be careful out there. Okay, there's no place you can sell it. I am not in business partnership with Battle Steed AI. Okay, this is just a coin and like a normal airdrop. Okay, I just made a video about it, and I see that people likes this particular project, I mean the airdrop, because this free money. Okay, and I'm just making a video to notify everybody. Okay, so make sure you join their telegram so you can stay ahead. Okay, whenever they get to drop any information there or any news, then you get to know on what to do and what not to do. Okay, so I will still be dropping more updates here. That's why you need to make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because many of you guys are not subscribed yet. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about Battle Steed AI, and let me know if you've claimed yours. Let me know if you've received yours, and let me know how happy you are to have that kind of amount of money you have in your wallet, that if you've already started earning. Okay, so there's a lot of things to do with this token. Okay, we can even swap it after they get listed and we can make our money. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you guys. This free money, don't look at the figures, focus more on the amount of token and the team that you're building. So through the token you can swap it and get something to sustain yourself. And I want to say thank you guys for always sticking around, and catch you on the next one. Don't forget to share this video to all of your friends. Okay, and have it in mind that all the airdrops which I've made video about on this channel are all free. Be careful and don't send any crypto to get any airdrop. Be careful, guys. Okay, it's not been done anywhere. Be careful, because scammers are many now in the market. So catch you again.